Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll be discussing how to find the equation of the line using the given information. So let's have a look at this particular example. In the diagram below, the cycle with center A is shown. Okay, so you can see the center, there is point A. The line with equation y is equal to 2x plus 1 is a tangent to the cycle at P. Okay, so here's the tangent. Okay, we're given that the equation of this particular tangent is 2x plus 1. Okay, so the question is show that the equation of line PA is this, right? So line PA. So you can see point P is here, then A is there. So imagine there's a line PA going like this through point P and A, just like that. So we're supposed to find the equation of this line. So we are proving it that it's indeed 2y plus x is 17. So the first thing that you need to recognize is we're told that this is the tangent and A is the center of the cycle. So that means the tangent and the radius or the diameter or the radius PA, they are perpendicular. So that's 90 degrees there. So that's the first thing we need to recognize. So if the two lines are at 90 degrees, it means we can use the information of the tangent, particularly the gradient of the tangent, which is 2, to find the gradient of this line, PA. So I'm sure you've seen the formula like this. The gradient of the tangent multiplied by the gradient of the line PA. It must be minus 1. So the gradient of the tangent, we're given that is 2, right, from the information. So we can quickly calculate the gradient for PA. So you divide by 2 this side, divide by 2 the other side. So the gradient for PA is actually minus 1 over 2. So we have the gradient and then we have the point. So there are two ways that you can find the equation. If you have the gradient and the point, you can find the equation of the straight line. Or if you have 2 points, if we had point P, we would have calculated the gradient for PA and then we would have found the equation of the line PA. Now we have everything that we need. So the next step is to write the general formula of the straight line like this, but in this case, instead of using y1, I'm going to be using point A. So that's going to be ya and xa. So y minus ya is 5, right? So because point A is 7 and 5, then the gradient is minus 1 over 2, x minus xa is 7. So y is equal to, I'm going to take the 5 to the other side, it's going to be positive 5 if it crosses the equal sign. And then here minus 1 over 2 times x is minus 1 over 2x, minus 1 over 2 times 7, it's going to be plus 7 over 2. Okay, we're almost there. Since they said you must write the equation in this format, I'm going to multiply by the denominator of 2 everywhere, the left hand side and the right hand side. So if I multiply everything by 2, I'll find 2y is equal to 10 minus x plus 7. I think we're coming closer to what we need to prove. 2y, I'll check the x to the left hand side, it's going to be plus x. On the right hand side, I'll be left with 10 plus 7, which will give me 17. So there you go. Hopefully you understood everything. And stay tuned on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.